If you have water damage and you want to know what it costs to dry out and restore, here is a straight answer for Connecticut, Westchester County, and Western Massachusetts. No sales pitch, just the real ranges and what moves the price. Most water damage jobs in our area run between $1,500 and $8,500. A single room of clean water can be $1,500 to $4,500. A multi-room or gray water loss runs $2,500 to $8,500. And a severe job, Category 3 black water or structural damage across a finished basement, can reach $7,500 to $50,000 or more. By the square foot, clean Category 1 water runs about $3 to $4, gray Category 2 $4 to $6, and contaminated Category 3 $7 to $7.50 before disposal. 5 things move that number. 1. The water category. Clean water from a supply line is cheaper than gray water from an appliance, and far cheaper than Category 3 black water from sewage or flooding, which needs full protective gear and disposal. 2. How long it sat. Water that sits more than 48 hours starts growing mold, which turns a drying job into a remediation job. 3. The materials. Hardwood, plaster, and finished basements cost more to dry and restore than drywall and concrete. 4. The size and the drying time. We meter the moisture and run commercial air movers and dehumidifiers, often for 3 to 5 days, until the structure is back to a normal moisture content. 5. The repair. Drying is one line. Replacing the drywall, flooring, and trim that cannot be saved is another. Now, insurance. Water damage from a sudden and accidental event, a burst pipe, an overflow, a covered roof leak, is usually covered. Gradual leaks, seepage, and surface flooding usually are not, and flood from rising water needs a separate flood policy. We document the loss, the moisture readings, the photos, the scope, so your adjuster has what they need. We are not public adjusters, and we do not negotiate the claim. Can you dry it yourself? A small, clean spill caught early, on a hard surface, you can often handle with a shop vac and fans. But standing water, Category 2 or 3 water, or anything that reached the wall cavity or the subfloor needs professional extraction and meter drying, or the moisture you cannot see grows mold behind the wall. So that is the real cost of water damage restoration. Extract the water, dry the structure, verify it with a meter, and restore what was lost. Green Restoration is an IICRC-certified firm across Connecticut, Westchester County, New York, and Western Massachusetts. For an exact number for your home, we will inspect it for free and give you a firm written estimate. Our line is open 24/7. 833-800-0474.